टीचर बने।
पाक फ़ज़ाइया में कमांड की तब्दीली की तकरीब, और इस वक्त आप देख सकते हैं एयर मार्शल ज़हीर अहमद बाबर पाक फ़ज़ाइया के नए सरबराह की हैसियत से आज अपनी ज़िम्मेदारियां संभाल रहे हैं, और अब से कुछ देर पहले वो यहाँ तशरीफ़ लाए हैं। पाक फ़ज़ाइया में कमांड की तब्दीली की तकरीब इस वक्त जारी है इस्लामाबाद में, और एयर मार्शल ज़हीर अहमद बाबर अब से कुछ देर पहले यहाँ तशरीफ़ ला चुके हैं।
एयर मार्शल ज़हीर अहमद बाबर सिद्धू पाक फ़ज़ाइया के नए सरबराह की हैसियत से आज अपनी ज़िम्मेदारियां संभाल रहे हैं, और पाक फ़ज़ाइया की कमांड की तब्दीली की ये तकरीब इस वक्त इस्लामाबाद में जारी है।
नाज़रीन, 16 अप्रैल 1965 को जन्म लेने वाले एयर मार्शल ज़हीर अहमद बाबर ने पाकिस्तान एयरफोर्स की GDP ब्रांच में अप्रैल 1986 में कमीशन हासिल किया, और अपने शानदार करियर के दौरान उन्होंने फाइटर स्क्वाड्रन, ऑपरेशनल एयर बेस और रीजनल एयर कमांड की क़यादत की। एयर मार्शल ज़हीर अहमद बाबर असिस्टेंट चीफ ऑफ द एयर स्टाफ, ऑपरेशन रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट,
Ladies and gentlemen, Air Chief Marshal Mujahid Anwar Khan, Nishan-e-Imtiaz and Nishan-e-Imtiaz Military. पाक फ़ज़ाइया के सरबराह एयर चीफ मार्शल मुजाहिद अनवर खान तशरीफ़ ला चुके हैं। इस वक्त आप मनाज़िर में देख सकते हैं, इस वक्त आपको बराह रास्त मनाज़िर दिखा रहे हैं इस्लामाबाद के, जहां पाक फ़ज़ाइया में कमांड की तब्दीली की तकरीब, और पाक फ़ज़ाइया के सरबराह एयर चीफ मार्शल मुजाहिद अनवर खान तशरीफ़ ला चुके हैं।
एयर चीफ मार्शल मुजाहिद अनवर खान को गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर पेश किया। तकरीब में अब से कुछ लम्हे पहले वो तशरीफ़ लाए हैं, और आज पाक फ़ज़ाइया की कमांड की तब्दीली की तकरीब इस वक्त जारी है। मुजाहिद अनवर खान को गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर पेश किया जाएगा।
इस वक्त आप मनाज़िर देख सकते हैं, गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर पेश किया जा रहा है। एयर मार्शल ज़हीर अहमद पाक फ़ज़ाइया के नए सरबराह की हैसियत से आज अपनी ज़िम्मेदारियां संभाल रहे हैं, और पाक फ़ज़ाइया के सरबराह एयर चीफ मार्शल मुजाहिद अनवर खान आज अपने ओहदे से सुबुकदोश हो जाएंगे। इस वक्त आप बराह रास्त मनाज़िर देख रहे हैं इस्लामाबाद के, जहां गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर पेश किया जा रहा है, और आपको पाक फ़ज़ाइया के सरबराह एयर चीफ मार्शल मुजाहिद अनवर खान आज अपने ओहदे से सुबुकदोश हो जाएंगे।
Recitation from the Holy Quran.
الرحمن الرحيم ما عندكم ينفد وما عند الله باق ولنجزين الذين صبروا أجرهم بأحسن ما كانوا يعملون من عمل صالحا من ذكر أو أنثى وهو مؤمن فلنحيينه حياة طيبة ولنجزينهم أجرهم بأحسن ما كانوا يعملون صدق الله العظيम। शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान नहायत रहम करने वाला है। इरशाद बारी ताला है, जो कुछ तुम्हारे पास है वो ख़त्म होने वाला है और जो कुछ अल्लाह के पास है वो कभी ख़त्म ना होगा। और जिन लोगों ने सब्र किया हम उनको उनके अमाल का बहुत अच्छा बदला देंगे। जो कोई भी नेक अमल करे, ख्वाह वो मर्द हो या औरत, बशर्ते कि वो मोमिन हो, हम उसे दुनिया में पाकीज़ा ज़िंदगी बसर कराएंगे और आखिरत में भी उनके अजर उनके बेहतरीन आमाल के मुताबिक बख्शेंगे। वमा अलैना इल्लल बलाग।
Now I request Air Chief Marshal Mujahid Anwar Khan, Nishan-e-Imtiaz and Nishan-e-Imtiaz Military to kindly address the august gathering. Sir, please.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Chief of the Air Staff designate, former Chiefs of the Air Staff, Principal Staff Officers, veterans, dear comrades and colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. Today, as I relinquish command on completion of my tenure as Chief of the Air Staff, I bow my head in great humility before Allah Almighty for His boundless blessings and guidance throughout my career. No doubt, serving Pakistan Air Force over 4 decades has been a privilege, honor, and a matter of immense satisfaction for me. Certainly, I cannot think of greater honor than leading one of the finest air force of the world. On this occasion, I express my gratitude to each member of Pakistan Air Force for their remarkable contributions towards making Pakistan Air Force a strong element of national defense. In particular, I am grateful to all my principal staff officers for their wholehearted support, partnership, and cooperation. Ladies and gentlemen, on this very day, 3 years ago, during my inaugural address, I pledged to you and to this nation that we would maintain, retain, and earn the title of pride of the nation and be second to none. Our adversaries will know that we will and we shall pay any price to defend Pakistan. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. We upheld the pledge made 3 years ago, and its manifestation was Operation Swift Retort. PF once again lived up to the nation's expectations and proved to be the guardians of our free blue skies. Our response was timely and well calibrated, which kept the adversary at bay. At the time of assumption of my command in 2018, I also set certain guiding principles and core values. The foremost among these were operational preparedness, self-reliance through indigenization, merit, teamwork, empowerment, and welfare of the personnel. We relentlessly pursued these objectives and accomplished them successfully. More so, during the unprecedented COVID-19 pandemic, we successfully preserved force readiness and ensured safety of personnel with Allah's blessing and the disciplined conduct by each member of Pakistan Air Force. Despite the testing times, PF made great strides on its journey to excellence and continued transformation for a next generation Air Force 2047, a vision that requires relentless pursuit in the years and decades to come. In my tenure, PF resolved for a clean, green, and compassionate Pakistan Air Force, devised a strategy to recollect the past, reconnect with the present, and recharge for the future with the mindset of thinking to win, and laid major focus on strategic restructuring and expansion in training and operational domains. I thank my team for standing shoulder to shoulder with me and transforming the vision into reality. PF conducted inter-squadron armament competition leading to firepower demo. Moreover, participation of national and international exercises, including some of them Shaheen, Saffron Bandit, despite COVID pandemic environment. Also, several initiatives were taken for contribution towards nation building, which include measures for healthcare and promotion of education, like establishment of diagnostic centers. For the welfare of our veterans, we have took measures to provide them quality living, and also possible endeavors were made for added focus on welfare of persons with special needs. Ladies and gentlemen, these were indeed tough milestones, but all this has only been possible due to the blessing of Allah Almighty and dedicated efforts by each member of this elite organization. I am indebted to each one of you for standing beside me to achieve the targets set for taking Pakistan Air Force to greater heights of excellence. I am proud to leave Pakistan Air Force in the highest state of operational readiness, prepared to face any challenge befittingly under the able leadership of accomplished professional Chief of Air Staff designate Air Marshal Babar. On this occasion, I congratulate Air Marshal Zahir Ahmad Babar on his appointment, inshallah, as Chief of the Air Staff Pakistan Air Force, and wish him success in his new assignment. My successor is a sound professional with extraordinary leadership qualities, and above all, he is an excellent human being. He takes over the responsibility of Pakistan Air Force fully charged and with spirit of great courage, commitment, professionalism, and specifically looking after every serving and retired individual of Pakistan Air Force. I am confident that during his tenure of command of Pakistan Air Force will scale to new heights of excellence, inshallah. My praise would always be with him to lead Pakistan Air Force with exemplary traits. Dear comrades and colleagues, undoubtedly spending a major part of my life amongst the finest professionals has always been a source of unparalleled joy. I shall always cherish the memories gathered during all these years. I urge you to have firm faith in Allah and your capabilities. Stand for the right with confidence and integrity. Work with the sincerity of purpose and a complete commitment to your job. Remember, being united is the key to success, and you must convert your challenges into opportunities. Pakistan Air Force is a wonderful team, and its beauty consists in its cohesiveness. Dear comrades and colleagues, I acknowledge your wholehearted support by each one of you in making Pakistan Air Force a strong element of national defense and a symbol of pride for the nation. I wish you Godspeed and pray that may Allah Almighty keep you in His gracious care and guide you in all your endeavors to defend this motherland in keeping with the glorious traditions of Pakistan Air Force. Pakistan Air Force Zindabad, Pakistan Armed Forces Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad.
Ladies and gentlemen, in a few moments from now, a four-ship formation of JF-17 Thunder will pay tribute to the outgoing Chief of Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal Mujahid Anwar Khan, Nishan-e-Imtiaz Military. Ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes on the horizon. I present to you JF-17 Thunder, the pride of the nation. The formation is led by Wing Commander Shahryar, and he will perform linear bomb blast over the venue, presenting the final salute to the outgoing Chief of Air Staff. The Chief of Air Staff leadership ensured Pakistan Air Force as frontline organization of national defense and ready to respond to all possible challenges. In this context, Operation Swift Retard entailed Pakistan Air Force among the most respected air forces of the world. It is an acknowledgement to the Air Chief Marshal Mujahid's leadership, his dauntless courage, and unmatched spirit of patriotism. Under his vision, Pakistan Air Force has progressed tremendously on enhancing operational capabilities in all domain of aerial defense for Pakistan. Strategic slogan of reconnect, recollect, and recharge has undoubtedly transformed the thinking process in Pakistan Air Force at all levels. Through the manifestation of this slogan, we connect our past with present and future by carrying out a dispassionate analysis while reinforcing our strengths for future challenges. The journey from indigenous JF-17 Thunder to induction of high-tech platform continues. We stand firm today to defend aerial frontiers of our motherland. A four-ship formation of JF-17 Thunder, led by OC number 26, multi-role squadron, Wing Commander Shahriyar, along with his team. On the left, Squadron Leader Waqas. On the right, Squadron Leader Monim, whereas on the slot is Wing Commander Umar. Without any further delay, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes on the horizon. I present to you JF-17, the pride of the nation.
Anwar Khan, Nishan-e-Imtiaz and Nishan-e-Imtiaz military will now decorate the designated Chief of the Air Staff, Air Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar, Hilal-e-Imtiaz military with the coveted rank of Air Chief Marshal. Award of rank badges. Sir, please.
all challenges. Inshallah, you will accomplish man. May Allah bless you.
Ladies and gentlemen, presentation of Command Sword of Pakistan Air Force.
Well done. Keep it up, shabash.
Respected ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Now you're all requested to please proceed towards the western lawn for refreshment. Thank you.
नाज़रीन, एयर मार्शल ज़हीर अहमद बाबर पाक फ़ज़ाइया के नए सरबराह की हैसियत से अपनी ज़िम्मेदारियाँ संभाल चुके हैं और पाक फ़ज़ाइया के सरबराह एयर चीफ मार्शल मुजाहिद अनवर ख़ान आज अपने ओहदे से सुबुकदोश हो गए हैं। आपको पता चलें कि नए एयर चीफ मार्शल ज़हीर अहमद बाबर ने पाक फ़ज़ाइया के सरबराह की हैसियत से अपनी ज़िम्मेदारियाँ संभाल ली हैं और सुबुकदोश होने वाले पाक फ़ज़ाइया के सरबराह एयर चीफ मार्शल मुजाहिद अनवर ख़ान ने तकरीब से